Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm going to do a short video on a tip that how could you open this Brita filter without any of this tool. The problem is it's stuck in here. You think that you could just easily pull it off. No, it doesn't work like that, but there is a trick for this, so I'm going to show you that in this video. So let's go and check it out. So let me show you. I'll open this cover. It's easy, you will take it off, but to open this section from the main filter reservoir, it's so hard. Even though you try, doesn't matter how you put it in your hand, it won't come off, right? The problem with this, after some months, this will have some residue and we'll see some algae and things like that. So we have to open this and clean it. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, let's go to the sink. First, fill this up all the way up here with water. Okay, so the water is filled up to this line. Then what you have to do is just flip this thing. Right, and let me just stick it out. That's it. It's that simple. We were trying to open this with a spatula, all this ruler and things like that. Nothing worked. It was so stuck in between these two plastic. It was watertight. It was so hot. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, like I always said, consider subscribing my channel, and if you like this video, share it with your friends so they will be helpful for them too. So I'll be coming up with another beautiful video. Till then, it's me, Aldo, signing off. Bye-bye.